let's talk about how to join to work in the round on a 16-inch needle. This would typically be used for a hat or mittens or possibly socks. This is a hat using the Woolstock Aran yarn from Blue Sky Fibers. The ChiaoGoo needles, size 16, length 16 inch. The pattern calls for 80 stitches to be cast on. I cast on an extra stitch, and we'll drop that off and show you how we do that. When working in the round, you want to make sure that you're not twisted. And so you'll know and notice that naturally your cast on stitches will kind of all fall to one direction. They're all around the circle at this point. If it were twisted like this, you'd want to make sure everything's going in the same direction. And then you're going to bring your needles close together. So I'm going to look again, now that I flipped it, to make sure that everything is still not twisted. And what you'll do is you're going to bring over the working yarn. So the yarn, your last cast on stitch, you bring it over to your left-hand needle, and then you would bind off basically this stitch. So you'll insert your needle into the stitch on the left hand and insert it just right to left. Now just use your fingernails, and then you want to bind it off. So just take it off, and then you'll give everything a cinch up, and you'll place your marker, and you're ready to begin working your hat or whatever project you're working. And this just makes a really nicer join. It will need tightened, and you'll do a few stitches and then tighten it down, but it makes for a nicer join. And again, before I get too far into the project, I'm going to check one more time to make sure that I am not twisted, and then I'll begin my pattern, which is a knit 2, purl 2.